so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, please make sure you subscribe. We are on our way to 10,000 subscribers, and I currently have a giveaway going on right now where you guys can enter and win a bunch of goodies. As soon as I hit 10,000, I'll be announcing the winner, so if you haven't entered, make sure you do. But in today's video, we are going to be diving into the LUSH kitchen box for June. How are we already in June? Absolutely insane. We are halfway through the year, which means we are halfway closer to Christmas again, and it's a lot of stress. I can't quite get my head around it, but anyway, we're going to be unboxing the June box. I have it right here. I have not peeked, smelt very much, or looked on social media, so we are going in this completely blind as always. I'm so excited, so without further ado, grab yourselves a drink and a snack and carry on watching. I am a little bit concerned by the amount of glitter in this box because I didn't bring a towel, nor did I bring a tissue, so it's going to go all over my pyjama bottoms again. But anyway, we move on. Diving into the first item, we have a potted item, and this is Bright Side body lotion. Stop it right now. This is going to smell insane. If you guys haven't ever smelled Bright Side before, it is a bubble bar which smells to me like tropical orange, just juicy amazingness. It's so good. Ingredients wise in this product, we have got orange flower water, almond oil, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, lippy butter, mandarin oil, tangerine oil, bergamot oil, lots of oils and amazingness, and I'm so excited to smell this. Okay, we're going to have to smell it because I can't actually wait any longer. The glitter is going everywhere already, but anyway, we move on. Is it going to be orange? That is the question. I hope it's orange, but we'll find out. It's orange! Oh, look at that. I am shook. Wow. Okay, I'm going to have to put some on. That smells incredible. So I'm just going to pop some onto my hands because obviously you guys know that I need to try stuff on camera as much as possible. Stop it now. Stop it now. That smells incredible. It smells like, oh, just like pure orange, like fresh, citrusy, more tangerine-y than a standard orange. Very thick, very rich. I can feel it on the skin. Perfect for this time of year. Wow. Okay, do you know what? I wish you guys could all buy this because this, in conjunction with the orange body scrub, heaven. If you love orange, insane. I do love a good body lotion, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I'm not a very avid user of body lotion, so they last me a very long time. For example, I still have the Lord of Misrule one that I haven't finished because it just takes me a very long time, but this, I'm so excited. Wow. Oh, that smells insane. Okay, so next up, moving on, we have, oh, okay, this is something a little bit different. I don't know whether we've received one of these before. I could be completely wrong, but I don't think we have, and that is some Avo Wash Fun. Now, is this going to smell like avocado co-wash? Is it going to smell like Avo Bath? Let's smell it because we're going to have to find out, and then I'll go through the ingredients. Just let me have one smell. Avocado co-wash, thank the heavens. Don't get me wrong, I love Avo Bath. It's such a beautiful, fresh, lemongrassy smell, but I feel like avocado co-wash just hits different. Do you know what I mean? I love it. Anyway, moving on to the ingredients. In this one, we have got cornstarch, talc, glycerin, bergamot oil, linseed, cuba oil, olibanum oil. I think that's basically it. Yes, that's basically it. But I love fun. You can use this to wash your body, wash your hair, wash your clothes. You can use it as bubble bath. You can use it as, did I say shower gel? Wash your body, shower gel. You can use it as soap. It's very multi-purpose, so I'm very excited to have this. And this is a really good size, especially if you're going on holiday or anything. Perfect for that. So I'm very excited about that. Love it. Next up, moving on, we have a bottle of something. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm very excited. What could it be? How do you pronounce that? Because I'm reading that as I think that's completely wrong. How do you pronounce that? Can one of you guys in the comments write it down how you would pronounce it, because I have got no idea. Honestly, my English level is just not strong. So no idea how you pronounce that. I'm not sure whether I said this is a shower gel, and it says let the soothing sandalwood and zesty citrus oils captivate your mind and connect you to the earth. Very excited. Is it going to smell like a garden? I hope not. But ingredients wise, we have got fresh lemon infusion, white wine vinegar, lemon myrtle oil, Brazilian orange oil, sandalwood oil, organic macadamia nut oil, gardenia extract. I'm so excited to smell it, but I'm praying to the heavens it doesn't smell like a garden. Okay. Ooh, okay, it doesn't smell like a garden. I just got that right on my nostrils though. Very fresh. Oh, I keep putting it too far in my nose. Very fresh. A little bit citrusy. Just very clean. It's a very clean, a little bit earthy kind of shower gel. You can definitely smell the sandalwood in there because it is a very sort of, I don't want to say incensey smell, but it has that like earthy twang to it, I suppose, but it is more citrusy and more fresh smelling than it is garden. So I'm quite impressed. I'll definitely use it, but I still can't pronounce it. So yeah, let me know down below what this says because I have no idea. So I believe we have 2 more things left in the box. The first one I'm going to go for is the potted one because I'm trying to avoid whatever is glittery at all costs. And this is the, oh, okay, this is the aloe shower smoothie, and it says start your day with a citrusy kick of Brazilian orange oil and Sicilian red mandarin oil. This sounds really delicious. Okay, ingredients wise, we have aloe vera gel, rapeseed oil, coconut oil, Brazilian orange oil, red mandarin oil. I think that's basically it. Yeah, let's give it a smell. I'm so excited. I used to love the shower smoothies so much, and then they basically discontinued all of them. I think that we used to have one, and I can't remember what it was called, but it was so good and they got rid of it. So hopefully maybe this is a sign they're bringing some back. Okay, I didn't expect it to look like that, not gonna lie. Does it smell great? I don't know. It's not as orangey as I would have thought. Personally, I feel like this should be a little bit stronger in fragrance. It's not my absolute favourite thing. It does smell good, but with the ingredients list I feel like it would have been more orangey. It just doesn't smell very orangey, do you know what I mean? It's very muted in terms of the smell, especially comparing it to the Bright Side lotion. This doesn't smell very strong at all, but I am really excited to use this. I love using shower smoothies for like shaving my legs and using them on the backs of my arms and stuff because I just find them so soothing, so gentle, and because this is full of aloe vera, this is probably going to be really good if you have sunburn, so I'm going to have to give this a go. Not sure if I'm ever going to get sunburn in the UK, but if I do, I'll try this and I'll let you guys know my thoughts. But yeah, no, I'm actually really excited for that. I'm just a little bit disappointed by the lack of smell, but we move on because I feel like it's still great, you know. And last but by no means least is the glittery whatever it is in this box, and I'm so dreading touching it because I'm covered in glitter already. I don't know if you guys can see, and I haven't even touched it yet. So we're gonna dive right in. Okay, I'm just gonna try and pick it up. See, the weirdest thing is it doesn't even look that glittery in the box, but anyway, oh no, it definitely does. Okay, yeah, we are sparkly. What are you? You smell like Bright Side also. I just put that on my face, which means I'm going to have glitter on my nose. Let's see what this is. So this is the Wonder Woohoo Bubble Bar, and ingredients wise we have got cornstarch, Mimosa Absolute, Brazilian orange oil, sandalwood oil. I feel like in this box it's been very Brazilian orange oil, sandalwood heavy. Just me, I feel like maybe that's their theme for this box. But it smells like Bright Side Bubble Bar, so it does smell very similar, which is a bit of a shame. Maybe I'm being greedy, I don't know, but I feel like why make a bubble bar smell the same as another bubble bar? Do you know what I mean? Kind of pointless. But it does smell good, granted. I love the smell of Bright Side, so I cannot complain. I am just now covered in glitter, which is great. So that is everything for the Lush June Kitchen subscription box. I would have to say that this box isn't necessarily my all-time favourite. It's not that I don't love it. I just feel a little bit, it's a little bit average. Do you know what I mean? I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings. This is amazing. This is my favourite item. But I feel like I could definitely leave the other products behind. Not overly ecstatic about it. Do you know what I mean? But this one, chef's kiss, amazing. The others, average. Overall, I would give this box a 6 out of 10. I didn't absolutely love it. It was definitely not my favourite, but I will definitely use all of these products and I will enjoy it. They're just not my favourites, if that makes any sense whatsoever, which it probably doesn't because I am rambling as always. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favourite item was. By leaving me a comment and giving a thumbs up to this video, it does help promote the video, so I would really appreciate it. And as I said at the start, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. And without further ado, I'm gonna go. I need to clean up all this glitter mess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.